All right, IELTS speaking part 2. Describe something you received for free. Okay, now you can talk about anything, not like alo, balo, cheese bandi, di, lai jao, not like that, okay? So you will talk about something that you received as a gift from a company or someone gave you without any money. So please start.
Well, I have received many free things in my life, but I would like to talk about a free watch which I got on my birthday. At night, on my birthday, my friend celebrates my birthday party. All of my friends give me a birthday gift. They give me gifts because we are all good friends. After receiving free gifts, I am very well. I liked those gifts, but I like wristwatch because of its color. Syrup's color is white color.
Very good. Anything else? And nahi likha gaya. You should speak, not write. Okay? In actual exam, they will not allow you to write that much. Okay, I understand you've made this booty, but actual exam, you have to speak on your own. So try to write down the points. And by the way, with all this, you spoke for around half minute. So try to develop your speaking skills, not reading. And by the time you are speaking, you are just looking down and you are reading and reading. This is not good. Try to speak. Only write down a point and then speak on that point. Okay? All right, now let's go on. Speaking part 3. Why do companies give free gifts to their customers?
On my birthday party,
Where is birthday? The topic is, why do companies give free gifts to their customers?
my friends gave me birthday gifts.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਥਰਸਟੀ ਕਰੋ ਹੀ ਲਾਨੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਗ੍ਰੀਡੀ ਡੌਗ पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे. Topic is different. Why do companies give free gift to their customer? Companies often distribute free gifts to their customers because of publicity. They want to publicize certain products and they want to develop good relationship with their customers. That is why they often send them free gift vouchers, free gift items and all that. So that ratta will help you in part 2, but in part 3, when examiner will ask you a variety of questions, then you will have no answer. So please focus your speaking. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.